Hey guys, and welcome to a new tutorial video on the WP Setup Wizard plugin. So let us move straight to monetization. And first feature of the monetization is a keyword replacer tool, an affiliate keyword replacer tool. So let me show you how this feature works. So for this, we will be going into this example post. And let us use, for example, GSB word to test this. So searched keyword will be setting to GSB, replacement keyword will be setting to CodeRevolution. So this affiliate keyword replacer tool searches for keywords in posts, replaces them with another keyword, and even adds a link to them in the content or the title or both from the post. So let us simply replace the keyword with another one. For this, save settings, and a rule was created, as you can see. And if we refresh this page, we will see that CodeRevolution is replaced here. Now let's copy the URL of this. This can be any affiliate link or any link that you wish, and it will be also added to these keywords. So now let's refresh the post, and CodeRevolution has added a link to the site that we linked here. Also, to disable the rule, simply delete the affiliate keyword replacer tool rule, and everything will be back to normal. So this is how you monetize the first feature of this plugin, how you monetize your site using affiliate links. Okay, now you can use the Amazon affiliate feature. Here you can enable affiliate images for products that are linked, that will be linked directly from the post contents of your site. So for this, you will need to enable the Amazon affiliate ads checkbox, and these many settings will appear. So here you will be able to add your Amazon associate ID, access key ID, secret access key, and target country. So if you have an Amazon API and API access, you will be able to add this from there, or get one registering from here and joining affiliate program from here. I will pause this video and I will add these settings right now. Okay, so I added my API credentials on the top of this page, and now we have to set some keywords that the plugin will search for products on Amazon and will display ads for. For example, if I have a laptop related blog, simply write here laptop, and you can add multiple keywords with separated each with a comma. So for example, okay, computer, mouse, keyboard, and so on. So let's leave this on laptop for example purpose only, and select an Amazon category if you wish, but you can leave this also on all. It will work. Maximum number of products to show, default is 3, but you can increase this number if you wish. Show product images, image size, height and width. Show banner header, and this is the text of the header of the banner, of the Amazon banner. You can change this as you wish. Show product price, you can disable this also. Show buy now button, and people will be able to click on this button and they will go through your affiliate URL directly to Amazon to buy the product. Ads per row and add position, top, bottom, middle, or random. So when I save these settings, then if I visit my site and go to this example post, we will see Amazon URLs with affiliate products. So if I click one, then I will go to Amazon with my affiliate link added to the product. If people are purchasing from my links, I will get an affiliate commission. Same for eBay. You have to check this, add your eBay auction request ID, campaign ID, eBay country, search keywords, and ads will be showing from eBay on your site. Same for ClickBank. You should add your ClickBank username and simply add keywords, and ClickBank ads will appear on your site. Commission Junction affiliate, you should add your access token and website ID. For details on every aspect on how to get this, hover on the question mark and the tooltips will help. And don't forget to add also keywords to search the site, then the affiliate program, GearBest, app ID, app secret, deep link ID. Hover on here to get more details on this keyword. AliExpress, if you want to use epn.biz, API key, deep link hash. Envato affiliate, Envato authorization token, impact radius affiliate URL. Hover here to get info on this. Walmart affiliate, simply add your Walmart API key and impact radius affiliate ID. And Etsy affiliate, add your Etsy API key string and AWin affiliate ID. And don't forget also about keywords. So don't forget to add keywords here because keywords are required. Okay, so these are the main features of the plugin using which you will be able to monetize your site. So it will be able to add many affiliate programs and ads from many affiliate programs to your posts. And also it will be able to use a keyword replacer tool to search for keywords on your site, replace them with another keyword if you wish, or simply link an affiliate link to those keywords without replacing these keywords with another keyword. Okay, so this is the monetization feature of this plugin. Let me also cover the speed optimization, because in the next video I will be covering branding and the database reset feature, and I will be finishing up this tutorial video series. So in the speed optimization feature of the plugin, you will be able to minify and combine HTML and JavaScript. Same for CSS. Remove query strings from resources, enable gzip compression, leverage browser caching. So these features will improve your website speed and also improve your GT metric score, for example, for this website where you use this plugin. Okay, so yeah, these are the monetization and speed features for this plugin. Let me show, before I finish up this video, how the minification of HTML and CSS looks. So for this, let me open up a page and view source of it. So this is how minified HTML looks, and let me deactivate this. So let me deactivate the minification features and let me refresh the source of this site. So as you can see, it is spread out right now. It is no longer minified. So it is larger now, and it is taking a bit longer to be downloaded because of this. So yeah, this is all for this tutorial video. I will be seeing you in the next one, which will be also the final one in this tutorial series, in this initial tutorial series, because I will be making also more videos in the future for this plugin, because I will be adding more features to it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.